All right, guys. So I want to make you know very clear understanding about this concept, right? So generally, what is cybersecurity? And again, why it is too hot in the market? So generally, cybersecurity jobs are like no T evergreen jobs. Either might be in any security jobs, but especially cybersecurity in the any software industry, right? So it's like more than any development jobs. That cybersecurity looks like a standard jobs. But cybersecurity is nothing but protection of our layers. In simple word, in one line answer, it is a protection of our layers. So it is a protection of our layers. Like cybersecurity is about keep your what is it, like keeping your like online world safe, ensuring that like sensitive information stays private, and again preventing cyber criminals, criminals from disrupting systems or stealing data. In simple other words, I want to say, right? And again, see where we can protect our layers. Like example, what is our layers? Either any kind of networking. See, suppose if I want to develop a application called as a www.pradeep.com, pawan.com, abhishek.com, arnab.com, right? So all these applications, when we start with this, and again, meanwhile, like srinivas.com, carlos.com, and again, so multiple things. So if I want to develop that applications, what are the things we need to secure it, especially like networking, and also applications, and again data loss prevention security, and also like endpoint user security. We need to understand that, and again what is the confidentiality we are maintaining, and again how to do this what is it like payment transactions, all these things. And again, if I watch this application in any cloud, how to take the cloud security, all these things will be matters. So in simple, what is cloud? What is that? Cybersecurity is a protection of our layers, right? Now coming back, types of cybersecurity. What are the types of cybersecurity? Network security, information security, and again the application security, and again the cloud security, and again the endpoint security, identity access management security. Data security is nothing but again data loss prevention security, and again infrastructure security, and again operational security. That's nothing but SOC, secure what is the like service system operation security, and again disaster recovery, and again business continuity security. And again this 11th and again 12th one is like exceptional, like generally we should have a idea, mobile security and again IoT security. But the rest of 1 to 10, these are the types of security we need to understand like in depth of points. Is it clear, right, everyone? Any confusions on this? See, suppose if I want to cover everything here, which security is fine to understand all these things? One, anyone? See, to understand all this, which is the main security we can learn? See, cloud security. Cloud security is emerging now because all the public clouds, private clouds, wherever it might be. See, in the cloud security only, we will be designing our networking, we will be designing our like information, and again the application deployment, and again also like endpoint security, and again also like identity and again access management, and again the risk management, and again the data security concepts, and again the infra security concepts, all these things, right? So now these are the types of security. And again, before jumping into the depth of each levels, if I want to understand you guys, once again. Okay. After taking uh, before going to the depth of each levels, we'll talk about like common cyber threats. What are the common cyber threats here? Like either phishing, malware, and again ransom, and again denial of services, and again also like DDoS, and again any kind of like man in the middle attacks, and again SQL injections, zero-day exports, and again any kind of like insider threats also, and again credentials stuffings, and again also like any kind of like social engineering penetrations, all this kind of like spyware attacks. So any kind of like malware attacks also. Up to here it is clear.
Hello, sir.
Hello, hello,
Yes, sir, you're audible now. So
hello.
your voice was breaking earlier. I think there was some issue with the net. Your hello.
All right. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If your voice is breaking, or is hello?
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. It's better now.
Is it okay? Yeah, okay, right? Oh, okay, just a minute. All right. So I think now it is clear because I restarted my router here. Is it fine, right? Hello, Abhishek,
Your voice
Pradeep,
breaking again.
Srinivas,
Sir, it's breaking still.
Pavan.
Yeah, we can see you, but your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. I think might be still it is loading. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now it is okay. Okay, right? Now it is okay. I think. Right. Okay. See, this is what like generally the basic certificates. See, I spoke about like what is cybersecurity, and again after that definition of cybersecurity, and again types of cybersecurity, and again after going to the in depth of this, we should understand. So what is main thing? And 1 second, just a moment. Threats, common threats for any kind of securities. And after that, cyber security certifications. What is the cyber security certifications? So foundational levels. If we go to the foundational level, like example, like CompTIA security. And again, this is a CompTIA security. There is a, it is a CompTIA, like Cisco, there is a CompTIA, right? So we can take it out like basic CompTIA security. And again, this is especially it is very important. Certified information system security professionals, right? So what is this like experienced security practitioners or any kind of managers, right? Like it is an entry level professionals which they can go with like CompTIA security plus. And again, this my syllabus course will clear any kind of cyber securities certifications. And next, is it okay, right? Fine. I think everyone are clear about my, is still breaking.
So there is a lag. I mean, considerable
Ethical eyes. Then again, certifying, right? So they focus completing techniques and tools for assessing the system vulnerabilities. And again, in this case, just focusing like basic security principles, threat management, and again, risk. Now, is it okay?
So it's
Now, is it okay? Fine, right?
intermittently it's fine, and then suddenly that there is a lag or voice break. I mean, that's the issue with me. If someone else is facing, then if anyone can
Okay, let's,
confirm.
yeah, please, yeah. Because from my end now, it is flowing good, I feel. Yeah. Okay. So meanwhile, also understand, certified information security manager. And again, in this case, so before explaining this one, okay, this is like basic security principles, threat management, and again, risk managements. They are focusing on these areas. Clear? And again, in this certified information system security professionals, in this like completely management, and again, including like risk management, and again, same thing like asset security management, and again, security architecture designing. Next. And again, certified information security managers, they'll be moving on completely information security management, governance, and again, risk management. Clear, right? And a certified information system auditor, completely, they will be focusing on like auditing, control, and monitoring, and again, information systems. Then certified cloud security professionals, cloud security principles, architectures, and again governance, right? And again, this certified cybersecurity analyst. So depending upon like which one you need to go, definitely you can choose like your choice is like differently which one also you can move on this. Yeah. Now coming back. So here, network security, information security, application security, cloud security, endpoint security, identity and again risk management, and again data security, infrastructure security, operation security, and again governance, everything will come under disaster recovery, and again business information security level. We need to understand that is what every security engineer need to understand compliances. What is the compliances here? It is a set of rules that we need to maintain the security alerts. Is it clear, right? Are. Hmm. How come now still? Still my voice is breaking. From Srinivas and like he's facing the shoe. How about Abhishek? Hello, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Now is it okay?
Sir, it's breaking. I mean, there is a considerable lag.
Okay, I'll switch to my other network once again. Wait.
Yes, sir. Please, please. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Now I think is it okay, right? Switch to my other network here. All right. Now very all right, all right. Thank you. See, now I want to make like quick understanding about like this, where it went, like one more. Yes, see, before this, like I want small things. Okay, let it be, let it be. Okay. Network security. In this network security, end to end, we need to understand the basic concept of like OSI layers. So what is the basic layers? Like, basic concepts like OSI layers. We should understand basic layers of OSI layers. And again, after that, like, IP, I mean, like, basically IPs, IP, and again, protocols. We should understand this completely in depth of these points. Networking security like OSI, IP, and again, protocols. We should understand this kind of protocols. Next, like network security is a practice of safeguarding our computer networks. Here we should design our like public subnet, private subnets, shader blocks, routing information protocol, and again open short path first like OSPF, and again BGP protocols, and again any kind of protocols we should arrange. Implementing various protective measures such as like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, IPS, and again encryption protections to ensure that only authorized users can access the network and again its resources. Network security also includes monitoring for suspicious activity and again managing also like monitoring for suspicious activity, managing access controls, and regularly operating software and again protect against vulnerabilities, right? This is what generally we did with like networking security. For that, you should understand like basic networking concepts and also like, basic networking. Basic networking concepts. And again, in this, the basic networking concepts, you need to understand this one, okay? This one like completely, is it clear up to here? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
All right. Next, in this information security, right? We should understand confidentiality, integrity, and again availability. What exactly it means, and again move how to secure the data there, and again how to implement the compliances for this, and again how to make the governance, how to make this completely end-to-end rule protections, and again how to transfer the data with the encryption level. All this like we need to discuss on this information security. Next, application security. Whenever we develop and can deploy the application in any on-premises platforms or any cloud platforms, what we need to do, like application security focuses on ensuring that software application are protected from threats generally, right? Apart from this, like what we can do for that applications, any brute force attacks, any phishing, and again any malware attacks, and again any kind of like DOS, any SQL attacks, any class attacks, I think we need to focus on this end to end, right? This is what in application security. For that application security, what and all the measures we should take, we can discuss this in our real-time classes here, okay? And again, for this, what kind of tools we are going to use? Even though for networking security, even though for information security, what kind of tools we are using, all these things we can discuss. Next, cloud security. Yes, especially here, the cloud we are dealing with AWS. If we have a Azure also, GCP also, GCP accounts, right? So next, endpoint security. And again, endpoint security is nothing but in the endpoint securities, we can use like endpoint detection and again ranging concepts, all this. Next, identity access managements. Yes, how to make the users to log in with like single Okta or like any kind of like multi-factor authentications, any kind of like two-factor authentication, all these things. Clear? And again, data security, how to prevent the data. And again, data security involves the protection of digital transformations, like any kind of like unauthorized access. So all these things we will be discussing on this. For this data security also, what is the tools we are going to use? In the next slide, I will show. And again, the infrastructure security. So nothing but like overall, like what and all the things has been done. So all this like network security, data security, information security, all this will come under infrastructure security. Operation security. And again, this is what like security operation centers, generally SOC analyst 1, SOC analyst 2, like this we are going to discuss. Then again, disaster recovery. If application deployed in the cloud or on premises without downtime, how to make the application like uptime, all this. Now, this is not required. Mobile security, IoT security is also not required. Generally, if you have a knowledge on this, that's more than enough. Now, common threats attacks. So this is what like in general, to understand like high level, very important points on this, right? And one second. So generally we need to discuss with like DOS and again DDoS and again SQL injections. So in real-time classes, just we are going like in depth of to understand what is denial of service, why does the word it comes into the picture, how to prevent from this DOS attacks, what is the difference between DOS and DDoS, DOS and again DDoS attacks, all these things. See, deploy network security solutions like firewall, like and firewalls like IPS means intrusion protection systems, and also intrusion detection systems. How to stop DOS attacks, like all these things we can understand like with the help of providing like content delivery networks. Like in the cloud, AWS cloud we used to call CloudFront. In the Azure cloud we used to call again Azure CDN. In the Google cloud again GCP CDN. And again, how to stop with the help of this content delivery networks. First, we should understand what is content delivery networks. And again, definitely distributed denial of services, and again, DOS attacks. And again, what is this man in the middle attacks? Like, we should encrypt the strong applications. And again, whenever we develop a application with either banking, either e-commerce, either any kind of applications, how to secure with like sensitive informations. All these things we can see in this. And again, what is the TLS versions we can use? And again, SQL injection strategies. In the strategies, what kind of applications, all this we should see. Yeah, next. Zero-day attacks, and again, insider threat strategies, credential stuffing, all this. Clear? Now, one more. Look, just like it is a basic idea. See, in the network security, what are the tools we are using? Network security involves like protecting a computer networks as like any kind of threats attacking from the networking, right? So for that, firewalls we should use, intrusion detection systems we should use, IDS, and again also like IPS, okay, and also like VPNs and virus, and again network access controls, security information event management tools, and all the tools we should use here, and again the encryption tools, patch management tools, data loss prevention system tools, and again also like, see, these are the tools we should use. Out of 10 tools we can use in the AWS only. See, in the AWS all these tools we can, it is readily available. How to leverage all these tools with the help of cloud, so we can able to see all these things. Is it clear, right, everyone? Efficiency here. I'm taking here completely cloud security. In the cloud security areas, what is a cloud basically? Cloud is a collection of domain. We should understand all these domains, how to implement with cloud. So if you go with the on-premises also, same thing only, same tools, same thing only we will use. Clear, right? Abhishek, Arnab, Carlos, Srinivas, Pawan, Pradeep. Yes, please, let me have a interaction classes.
Yes, yes. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
All right. Now, Abhishek,
Yeah.
you are
Hello.
not audible, Abhishek. Yes, yes.
Yeah. I thought you were. Your voice was not audible, so that's why I was.
No, no, no. I was in mute actually. So I was I was not talking. The reason is because no, I want like you know you guys need to contract. I mean connect to each other. Yeah, fine. In the encryption information security level, like encryption tools, access control tools, also information, all this kind of stuffs, IDS, IPS, and you know endpoint protection platforms, identity data access management, like you know hard term, and again any kind of this vulnerabilities, and again the applications, like, you know, it should be the application security like SaaS and again. So static analysis security testing with like we should also understand Sonar Cube, and again also like how to prevent from the SQL injections, and again dynamic application security testing with the DAS, like how to like now WhatsApp used to perform automated scans and to identify issues like such all these things. Yeah, and yeah, also like interactive application security testing, software compilation analysis tools also, and like random application productions, web application firewall, everything here. This application security we should understand like in depth of these concepts. Yeah, what we will be defining the application. Is it my screen is visible? Hello.
No, 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 not at all. Your voice is breaking again and again.
Now is it visible my screen?
Sir, now
No.
your voice is not audible and the screen is also not visible.
No, screen is visible, no?
No, no, not a screen is visible. Voice is breaking in between your lectures multiple times. It's loading now, but we can't see your screen. Yeah, now we can see.
Okay. All right. So what we are talking about here, SaaS again DAS, right? So same thing like I have an office meeting on SaaS and DAS. So what is this? Where is this? SaaS, DAS, static analysis security testing. What is the tool we are going to use here? Either SonarCube, either Qualys, any kind of applications. Okay. Next, cloud security. Cloud security posture management. This is important. Either we can take the Rapid7, anything. Okay. Then again, cloud workload protection platforms. And also like, you know, cloud access security brokers, identity access managements, all these things. Cloud security information and event management. Endpoint securities, like especially endpoint detection and ranging. And responses, once DLP, all these things common. Yes, identity access management, we should understand like SSO, multi-factor authentications, all these things. And then also like, you know, identity governance and again, administrative activities, privileged access management engineers, and also like, you know, directory access, I mean, services we should use. All this like, you know, identity access management platforms with Anjireddy. And again, data securities. Yes, data encryption tools we should use. And again, data loss prevention also. I think everyone are heard about like this kind of access management tools, right? What is the data loss preventions? And again, how to use the identity access managements with PAM, all these things. Next, network firewalls. Intrusion detection and again, prevention systems. And again, networking monitoring tools, one vulnerability scanners, and again security information and managements, all this. See, I have mentioned here what are the tools we are going to use, but all these tools in the readily it is available in the cloud, so that like we can use limited tools. But generally, everyone should have some focus. In which security I want to go, like this, either in data security, either in cloud security, either in networking security, either in identity access management, either in governance, either in information, either in infrastructure, either in like in any kind of like data engineer. So for that, like you need to understand. So generally, I'll give the complete idea and again the complete tools and in the complete practices in the all the cloud. So depending upon you, we can choose like which one you are to go. Clear, right? Operational security is generally it is called as a OPSEC. Also, generally it is called as security operational analyst, security analyst jobs. Please respond. Okay. Yeah. So generally, all this it's not required. This business security, business continuity planning central, mobile security not required. Okay. Yeah, this DR, disaster recovery, and again the business continuity planning. Disaster recovery, if you have a good knowledge, that's more than enough. But generally, we are going to use here cloud security. And now, one of the main tool I'm implementing here. Tool. Once might be it is loading. This is the tool I'm talking here. Okay. Is it my screen is visible? Hello? Hello? Is it my screen is visible now? Hello. Is it my audio is good? Okay, might be this, there is some heavy rain, right? So that's why my network is a problem. Now it is okay, everyone. Please respond, right? Rather than pinging, please respond, yes or no. Hello. Kalus, Pradeep, Arnab, Srinivas, Abhishek. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing, at least in my screen, it is visible. Hello. No, totally my screen is not at all visible, and again, nothing is visible, right? Okay, I'm going to ending the session today.
Hello. Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now is
Hello?
it visible? Yeah.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. See, this is a great cybersecurity tool I'm going to use in my company also. And again, I'm showing this live, how to scan, and again, how to get the assessments, all these things. See, now I'm using like one of the AWS cloud. This AWS cloud I'm scanning this one. This is a cloud security, one of the small tool. Is it visible? See, now it is scanning all the reports here. See, please respond, no, at least.
Sir, it is showing that the scanning page, but how did you get here, sir? I mean,
That's what in our live classes we can show. This is only demo classes. If I show everything, right? Someone will join here only for the time pass. Someone will join for like, yeah, okay, let me check. See, because cyber security is a more interesting tools because, in the world, no one is a perfect trainer for the cyber security because until unless you join a company, unless like, because why there is a no proper trainer for this cyber security means, because, it is a difficult to understand the environment. And again, every time we used to keep on changing the tools to understand and again to do the scans. So that's why anyway, in the live classes, we will be going to understand like this prowler, everything, how to install this prowler, how to create our accounts, and again, how to make all this cloud security levels. Clear, right? Is it audible? My voice is clear.
yes.
Still it is breaking.
No, it's clear now.
Okay. In the world, according to me, still I have seen like lot of IIT Kharagpur, IIT Chennai, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT somewhere Oxford universities. No one is a perfect delivering of the cyber security tools because every time it will be keep on changing. But generally, cyber security means it is only theoretical knowledge. But still, I'm providing like all the tools and also to understand in depth of. But especially, I'm taking only the cloud security here. What is a cloud? Cloud is a collection of domains. Okay. Cloud
So
is a collection of
majorly,
domains.
majorly you are going to focus on cloud security itself, right?
Exactly. Because why cloud security? Cloud is a collection of domains. There we will be understanding networking, application deployments, and again also like data lines preventions, and again information security, infrastructure security, and again also like compliances, governance, and again how to implement all these things. Because either I need to train classes, and again I want to build a 10 servers in the physical, and again networking, everything I want to show. Because in the cloud nowadays, because everyone are using cloud, nowadays the cloud security is a more exposure. Clear, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, but at least like you will be taking some basics of networking, right?
Yes, yes. See, the classes will be starting with the basic networking concept and of the operating system like Linux basic commands. Then only we'll be joining to these classes. See here, this is what from in my AWS, I'm having a dummy account AWS. In this AWS, account is failed. Some status, critical, high, medium, low, muted. All this information, how to scan, how to get this one, all these kind of steps we can see. See, and again, compliance security is like compliance status of like AWS account security, onboarding, and again, audit manager control, foundational security, and again, also like well architectured framework, also like CAS, Center of Net Systems, and also like NIST, CISA, and again ENS, and also like NIST rules. All these things we can see in depth of like ISO 27001, and again also like NIST 800, and again what is this rules they are provided. All these things we can see. Clear, right? Everyone should need to create a any confusion still now? Any questions? I'm going to end the session here. Any confusions, please let me know.
Sir, no confusion with the content that you showed. But it's just the, sir, your network. I mean, that is a bit concerning. Content is great, everything is good, but just your network. Hello, hello.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir, sir.
Yes,
I
please.
mean, sir, the content is great. I like everything. It's clear, but it's just the network, sir. Your network, it's a bit concerning. And
Yeah. Because I'm in Bangalore. Might be this area. Yesterday it got like heavy rain, so might be the network issues. All right. So don't worry. Like internet will be stable tomorrow onwards. Yeah.
okay, okay, sir.
Clear, right? Yeah. Any confusions? Kalus, Arnab, Pavan, Srinivas. Okay. So tomorrow onwards the live classes. So please join for the classes so that like we can able to continue in the regular classes. Can I close the close? Do I have like any interaction sessions? Please let me know that.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, sir.
Sorry. Can we get down? So can we connect tomorrow onwards live classes? Please register like if you are owned or interested. Please register tomorrow so that like we can continue from tomorrow onwards. Is it clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, Sundays, the classes would be from 9 to 11, right?
So that's why like I'll be one second. Once again. The last one I want to show this one, okay? See everyone. So I think still everyone are there, right?
Yes.
Everyone are there. Okay. Whatever I scan, I can take it out here and again, see, this is what the result it will come. And again, if I click on here, 25 results. See, this is like version, parameters used, account, AWS profile. This is Vishwa, my name. And again, total findings. And again, in this case, medium fails. In this medium fails, see, this is what if I click here. So it will show EC2 instances. It's a public IP is enabled. Like, and again, it is also telling that link, exposing an EC2 directly to internet, increase the attack surface. And again, therefore, to the risk of compromise. So use on ALB and again apply WAF ACL. They're telling this one. They're giving the protection also. See, this is recommendation. This is compliance. Is it clear, everyone? Abhishek, Carlos, Srinivas, Pawan.
Yes.
See, they're giving this tool is very good tool. I'm going to use this tool only for the entire cloud security recommendation. They're only providing recommendation for this. Use an ALB and again apply WAF means web application firewalls. AWS WAF. This is what if I click on this, it will come here. Okay. Next. And again, what is that? Like one more. CISA. What is the CISA? CISA means it's the compliances. Click on this. See, it is telling that one. Your systems, your ID, and again attacks, and again HIPAA clashes, AWS frameworks, all this information it will give. Depending upon this, we should manage it. Anyway, in classes, we can see. Okay, even though I applied like one of the WAF, even for the applied WAF also, it is showing that like, this is one publicly accessible, this load balancer could expose sensitive data, bad actors. All this we should prevent. So that's why like, the security tools are very important, especially cloud security. This tool makes a larger, this is like especially multi-cloud tools. That's why like, whenever I run the command here, it says like this, see, whenever I run this command, multi-cloud security tools, it would go to the AWS also, Azure also, GCP also. Clear, right? Okay, anyway, now it is not required. What is the I means? In this AWS account, what and all the services I have provisioned. That's what like everything it will list. See, I have provisioned 3 EC2 instances, 1 IAM role. I have created the 2 IAM roles, payments, 1 payment instrument, and again 1 bucket I have created. This is what it will show all these things. This is the inventory. If I do this one, clear, right? Hello.
Yes, sir. I mean, it's visible, but as we don't know the concept, like not able to understand exact.
Okay. See, do you have aware of AWS cloud? Do you know cloud?
Yes, sir.
AWS cloud. See, everyone should need to create a AWS account. So like this. Okay, wait. I'm using company account now. AWS cloud. Everyone should need to create a AWS cloud also. The account, you should create an account. This is what like, where we can provision networking, servers, everything. You should create a AWS, Azure, GCP. We should create a 3 clouds and again, we should do this one. This is what like, you should sign up. Tomorrow onwards, live classes will be there. So that like, I want like everyone at least like 10 members attendance here so that like I can start my classes. Clear, right?
Sir, the class timing would be 9 to 11, right?
Yes,
Sir, Sundays like I won't be available from 10 to 11, so I can refer the recordings, right?
that's great. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay, is it clear, right, everyone? Okay, can we wind up session now?